Good afternoon, everyone. Chapter 3, Mineral and Power Resource. Today we discuss about deposit area of Africa, Australia, Antarctica and India. Let's start with Africa. Do you know the green diamond is the rarest diamond and the oldest rock in the world are in Western Australia. They date from 4,300 million years ago, only 300 million years after the earth was formed. Let's have a look and talk about mineral deposit area of Africa. Now the map of Africa is on your screen. You can see that Africa is a rich mineral deposit, rich mineral resources country. It is a world largest producer of diamonds, gold, platinum, etc. South Africa, the south side of Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire produce a large portion of world's gold. You can mark on your map Zimbabwe and Zaire. The other mineral found in Africa are copper, iron, ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. Oil is found in which area? Oil is found Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. Everyone, please mark on your map So these are the rich mineral deposit areas of Africa. Let's talk about Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc and magnesium. Kalgoorlie and the Kalgoorlie area of Western Asia have the largest deposit of gold. Next is Antarctica. The geology of Antarctica, geographical feature of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of a variety of mineral deposits, some probably large, significant size of deposit of the coal and Antarctic mountain and are near the Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, gold, silver and oil are present in commercial quantity. Let's talk about India deposit centers. As you know, India is a country where the vast resources are found over here due to its geographical features. You can see in this map. First, we talk about coal deposit areas of India. India has deposit of high-grade iron ore. The mineral is found mainly in Jharkhand. Everyone, please underline on your map Jharkhand area of India. उड़ीसा, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, गोवा, महाराष्ट्र and Karnataka. These are the area, the mainly deposit, the mineral found over here, the iron ore. Next, talk about the second area, the second mineral is bauxite. Now, Karnataka is a gold deposit center. Here is a deepest mine of the world, which is Kolar. It's found here. And mining, the gold mining, this ore is very expensive process. Now, next is the salt. Everyone, salt. Salt obtained from sea, lakes, and rocks. So, India is a one of the world leading producer of exporter of salt, like Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, Sambar Lake, the Maharashtra area, the Kerala area, Odisha area. So these are the salt deposit area. Gujarat area. So you can see the uses of mineral which we use in daily life, and the mineral are used in many industry like bauxite used in. What with the mineral which obtained from aluminum, that is bauxite, which is used in automobiles or aeroplanes or bottling industry, building or kitchen cookware. Same the silicon used in computer, which is obtained from quotas. And we also use different kind of mineral, gemstone, like which we use for making jewelry. Now let's talk about conservation of mineral. Yes, it is very important to think about the conservation of mineral. Mineral are non-renewable resources. Once consumed, they cannot be created or renewed. Isn't it? But because it takes lots of time, thousands of years, so that is why it is known as non-renewable resources, non-renewable mineral. So we have to be use mineral resources in such a way that sizable amount that our coming generation can have or use it. So we should think about how to use these minerals. So the two way to conserve minerals resources used for as like recycling, 3R formula: recycling, reuse, and reduce. Fine. So what is the meaning of recycling? Means of matter, the another way which the mineral resource can be conserved. Reduce to, we should reduce the consumption of resources. Reuse, try our best to use the first we have which the mineral metal which have we already used, we try to best way to how to reuse or recycle that mineral, that metal. Like you have a tin bottle, the tin is used when in a preservation packaging. So we should try our best or make the another use of that tin after using. Okay, no need to throw that. Try to use the another way to the already used things. So this is the meaning of reuse.